Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: Global EV charging market to reach $93 billion by 2027. Haryana's first waste to energy project. Punjab's Nabha power plant gets nearer coal linkage. Coming to the details. A report is developed by Noida-based market research firm Astute Analytica on global electric vehicle charging station market. According to the report, it has been estimated that the global EVCS market will grow at a compound annual growth rate of 20% from 2021 to 2027 and reach $93 billion by 2027. The market has been fueled by growing awareness of environmental conservation and carbon emission reduction. The report shows that in 2019, the global EVCS market generated a considerable revenue amount of approximately $23 billion, while 819,000 units of EVCS were sold in 2019, and the numbers are increasing at 17.5% CAGR. One of the biggest challenges the EVCS market faces is the rapid deployment of charging technology. As adopting new technologies such as wireless charging, vehicle to grid, and vehicle to everything, charging technology will affect the cost infrastructure as well. According to the analysis, the cost of charging infrastructure components for level 2 commercial chargers ranges from $2,500 to $7,210, while 50 kilowatt fast DC charging infrastructure costs between $20,000 and $35,800. DC charging method is growing at a annual growth rate of 20.3% because it can supply electricity straight to the vehicle's battery, bypassing the internal charger. Moreover, DC fast chargers convert AC power to DC within the charging station and supply DC power directly to the battery, resulting in faster charging. The Asia Pacific is the leading area with about 80% market share in 2019. Most of the credit goes to China. In addition, China's advanced electrification technology and government's initiatives in Japan and Korea have boosted the market in Asia Pacific region. Furthermore, China will invest $1.2 billion to expand the country's charging infrastructure. Chief Minister of Haryana Manohar Lal Khattar inaugurated the state's first waste-to-energy project in Murtal Sonipat, which is developed by JBM Group. This plant, developed by JBM Environment Management, is India's first integrated WTE project under the public-private partnership model. JBM Enviro's WTE plant has a power generation capacity of 8 megawatt and can process up to 750 tons of solid waste generated daily from the Sonipat Panipat cluster. The project is developed at an estimated investment close to 200 crores that entails door-to-door collection of waste, transportation, construction, operation and maintenance of the power plant. The Union Coal Ministry has approved Punjab government's request to rationalize the coal linkage of Nabha power plant by allowing supply from Northern Coal Limited, then from the present supplier Southeastern Coalfields Limited. The saving will be generated as the distance between the raw material and the user plant has decreased. NCL has coal mines in Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and other nearby states as compared to SECL's mines in the deep south of the country. With the decision, the Punjab State Power Corporation Limited will save 20 paisa per unit in the electricity generation from thermal plant. The savings will be passed on to the distribution companies and ultimately to the consumers. Coal India Limited, however, wants NPL to enter into a supplementary power purchase agreement with the distribution companies or PSPCL. This agreement, to be approved by Punjab Electricity Regulatory Commission, will mandate the passing on the savings on account of linkage rationalization of the PSPCL. Punjab has asked for the waiver of this clause as the entire power that NPL produces is supplied only to PSPCL through a long-term PPA. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 242.24 billion units of power for tomorrow cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details, Price discovered during night 7 rupees 44 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 4 rupees 29 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 9 rupees 46 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 6 rupees 68 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 6 rupees 67 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. Thank you and good day.